Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. So just gonna get you a little update on our channel. As you know, I told you I was trying to get these bread fours for myself and my size. I did go to a sneaker event. Was able to finally get my size right here. And just to let you know that you know the lid already. I'm not gonna go into detail, but I just want to let y'all know that I was able to secure my pair. Just let me show y'all these bad boys right here. So I am very happy that I got these in my collection now. Smelling like new money.
Hmm.
See that tag? We ain't gonna go in too much detail with these because we already reviewed these on our channel. If you haven't seen those already, we do have a detailed review right there. Go and check that out. But just we're trying to. This is the community, so we do try to communicate with y'all and let y'all know, we're trying to be on the up and up. You know, when we say we trying to give away these pairs of shoes, that's what we're trying to do. And all we do is ask you to like the video, comment,
That's
and subscribe. I mean, it's too easy. So
it.
moving on, the next big news is on the third quarter. Nike is looking to increase their supply for the Air Force Ones and other classic silhouettes. So if you're a fan of the Air Force, go ahead and start stockpiling those shoes in your size because the CFO, Matt Friend, confirmed that Nike will be pulling back supplies of their classics such as the Air Force Ones as a response to the brand's focus on pushing innovation and newness further. So if you're a fan of the Air Force One, we know at one point Air Force Ones were reselling that for $150, and now Nike has been producing a lot more. So the supply and demand has fallen to about $98 or even lower. But I can see the prices going back up again. So go ahead and snatch them up, big heads, if you want these in your collection or just you'd like to rock Air Force Ones. I don't really rock the Air Force Ones because they're a little bit hard for me. But I know like as soon as you get a scuff on them, they dirty or whatever, you got to get a new pair out. So you may want to start restocking on those. But moving on to the last news, as we know that Nike Air Max Day is coming out on the March 26th. So are you prepared for that? One of the major shoes that I'm forward to is the Air Max DN. Some sneaker YouTubers have already reviewed that shoe. I am looking forward to trying those out myself. I don't know if the technology will be better, but I am going to be looking out for those. Once I see a good colorway that I do like to rock, and I will be making a purchase of those to check them out. Hopefully, I can see them in store, maybe try them on before I purchase. That would be even better, but only time will tell. Moving on to the Jordan recaps. These shoes came out from 3 to 9 March. Starting off with the Travis Scott Jordan Jumpman Jack collaboration with Jordan Brand. As you know, this price came out at $200 for men's. It was featuring his first Cactus Jack training shoe. Unfortunately, as you know, we took a big L over here. I did, went for those and took a big L, but Travis Scott sold out.
Hmm.
On Nike.com, there's no size available. We'll have to wait and see if there'll be any future colors. Jordan Brand's going to probably flood the gate with these, but I wouldn't panic buy because they'll be releasing more colors, so there'll be other opportunities for you to win some at retail. So I would not recommend to pay that full resale price of $2,000. So moving on, what we had next, my brother?
Hey, drop us a comment down below if you guys were able to snatch up any of those shoes there, the ones he showed, the Breads or Travis Scott. But the next shoe that came out during that time of March 3rd to the 9th, we had on March 6th, we had the Air Jordan 1 Catco Wow. This was a women's pair of shoe. Price point for those were $200. I am shocked that these shoes did sell out according to Nike.com. So, hey, Jordan Grant, hey, nice work there. I felt like these shoes was sick. And the reason being because, the colorway for me is more of a fall look. But, hey, Jordan Brand, someone was thinking on there. So, nice work there. Like I said, according to Nike.com, all sizes did sell out. So, what we have next, my brother?
So last on the list, on March the 9th, we did have the heavy hitter of the week, the Jordan 4 White Gold. This was a women's exclusive pair of shoes. They did not go into extended sizes. So like my bro, he was not able to get his size. But as you know, for me, Bam, got them. I'm just
Uh-oh.
gonna have a quick unboxing right here. I was lucky enough to grab my size on Nike Sneakerhead. We'll just show these real quick. It says my size 10. You see the box, bam. We're going a more detailed review right now, but we're just gonna show you these bad boys real quick. And as they know, they do look better in hand. And all white, you can't go wrong with these. Like I said, I wanted these because the metallic packs, they're all going for $350 and more. So I assume these will be the same thing. But this is a nice colorway to rock. You can't go wrong with all white, pretty much type of shoe. So I want to get these in my collection. They do look a lot better in hand, I must say. And we'll go over these, like I said, in a more detailed review so you can see them on the better camera that I got. So I just want to bring these to you, show you that we was able to cop a pair for you. And let us know down in the comments, were you able to score your size or maybe one for your honey or your baby. But appreciate y'all, and we hope that we'll continue to grow as a channel. And as we continue to grow, we do like to see some comments, Sneakerhead. So please, that's all we're asking. Like and comment on the videos.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.